Modifiers are a way to allow options to be selected for an item being sold on an invoice. For example, if you sell hamburgers and would like to give the customer the option of how they would like the hamburger cooked, rare, medium, or well done, we can then create modifiers to edit the item. It is beneficial to use modifier groups for organizational purposes, as you may want to add more choices to the burger, for example lettuce, tomato, or onions. After the item to be modified has been created in the database, in our example, the burger, we must then create the modifier department, which will make it easier to hide those modifier items from the touchscreen. To create the modifier department, select Administrative and then Department Maintenance from the options screen. Select Add Department. Enter a department ID, for example Mods, and then a department description, for example Modifiers. When done, select Save. Select No to not create another department, then select Exit. To create your modifier items, select Administrative, then Inventory Maintenance. Select Add Item, then select Standard Item. For department for this item, use the drop-down to select the modifier department we just created. Enter something for the item number and description. In our example, rare. Make sure to uncheck Count this item and also to check Modifier item, which will make this item a modifier. When done, select Save. Then select No to not create another item. You will need to repeat this process of creating the modifier items for both the medium and well done modifier items. To create the modifier group, select Add Item, then select Modifier Group. Choose the modifier department we created earlier, under Department for this item. Enter an item number and description. In our example, meat temps. Select Add Modifier. Select the modifier you would like to add to this item. You will need to repeat this process for both modifier items. After adding all your modifiers to the group, select Save, and then select No to not create another item. In Inventory Maintenance, bring up the burger item or the item to be modified. Select the Modifiers tab. Select Add Modifier Group, then select the group we just created. Choose whether or not you would like to charge for the modifiers. Enter a prompt or a question to be asked when choosing the modifiers. In our example, how would you like the burger? Then select Enter. When done, select Save, and then Exit. When adding the burger item to the invoice, you will be asked how you would like the burger cooked, which will give you the options that we created earlier.